So do you also use Contact Form 7 on your websites to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Contact Form 7 submission. So here I've created an inquiry form for my business using Contact Form 7, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be added as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Contact Form 7 with my Zoho campaigns account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So I use Contact Form 7 on my website to collect inquiries or sign-ups, and it's essential to keep my email marketing list updated with these contacts. So by automatically adding or updating subscriber in my Zoho campaigns, whenever someone submits the form, I can ensure my mailing list stays current without any manual effort. This helps me quickly send welcome emails, share updates, or send targeted campaigns to new or existing subscribers. It's a simple way to save time, stay organized, and keep my email marketing strategy effective and personalized. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Contact Form 7 with my Zoho campaigns account using an automation software. And now here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by simply making a form submission in my Contact Form 7. So this is the inquiry form that I've created using Contact Form 7, and here you can see some pre-filled data over here with the first name, last name, email, and the mobile number. So now here I'm going to click on this submit, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through this Contact Form 7, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be created or added as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account. So here I'm going to click on this submit over here. And here you can see it says thank you for your message, it has been sent. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Zoho campaigns account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see after refreshing also, we haven't received a new subscriber over here in our Zoho campaigns account. That is because here Zoho campaigns sends an email confirmation to the lead to confirm the subscription first. So now here to confirm the subscription from the lead's email account, let me take you to my lead's email account. So this is my lead's email account, and here you can see the mail that my lead has received for the subscription confirmation. It says, dear demo, thank you for subscribing. Click the button below to confirm your subscription. So I'm going to click on this confirm subscription. And here you can see it says you are all set now. That means we have successfully made a confirmation over here. So now let's go and check our Zoho campaigns account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the email as democustomer111@pabblytunes.com, first name as demo and last name as customer. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Contact Form 7 with your Zoho campaigns account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on contact form 7 submission. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folders section under which you can see multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as contact form 7 as I am receiving new form submissions through contact form 7. So contact form 7 is a free WordPress plugin that helps you add contact forms to your website. It's simple to use and lets visitors easily get in touch with you by filling out a form. People use contact form 7 because it's flexible, customizable and supports features like spam protection and email notifications. So here in my contact form 7 trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission, so that whenever I'm going to receive new form submissions through contact form 7, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my WordPress account, and as you all know that contact form 7 is a plugin of WordPress. So I've already installed that plugin, and here under my contact forms you can see the form that I've created with the name inquiry form, and from here I'm going to click on this webhook given over here, and here under this webhook you need to set up your webhook URL to connect your contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So firstly you have to tick on this send to webhook button given over here, and here after ticking this checkbox, it is asking me for the webhook URL. So here I'm going to remove this previously existing webhook URL, and now here I'm going to enter the new webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the new webhook URL, and now here after entering the webhook URL, I'm going to scroll it little down, and then here I'm going to click on this save. And from here I'm going to click on the save again, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our contact form 7, or you can say we have successfully connected our contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test response in our contact form 7. So for that let me take you back to my contact form 7. Here I'm going to refresh it. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as smart, last name as subscriber, email as smartsubscriber@pabblytunes.com, and then here for the phone number I'm going to enter a mobile number, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says thank you for your message, it has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email, phone number, last name and the first name. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new form submission through our contact form 7, then automatically I want to add the person who has made the form submission as a new subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account. So for that I need to connect my Zoho campaigns account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho Campaigns. So Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing tool that helps businesses create, send and track email campaigns. People use it to connect with their audience, share updates and promote products or services. So here in my Zoho Campaigns action step, I'm going to select my action event as add or update subscribers, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through contact form 7, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be added as a new subscriber in my Zoho Campaigns account. And now here to connect my Zoho Campaigns with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoho Campaigns account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho Campaigns. And now here to connect the application, it is asking me for the domain. So here in the help text it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to. So now here to get this domain, let me take you back to my Zoho Campaigns account. And here in this path URL, you can see my domain, that is zoho.com. So I'm going to copy it from here, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter my domain. Now here after entering my domain, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And now here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the account access. So here I'm going to give the access to Pabbly Connect as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list. So here in this list field, I need to select the list under which I want to create a new subscriber in my Zoho Campaigns account. So for that, here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the email campaigns list that I've created in my Zoho Campaigns account. So here I'm going to select my particular list name, that is new leads. And now here after selecting the list, it is asking me to enter the contact email, first name, last name and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through contact form 7, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here this company name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Moving forward, again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message which says a confirmation email is sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. That means we have successfully sent a confirmation email to the lead email account in order to confirm the subscription to our Zoho Campaigns email list. So now here to confirm the subscription, let me take you to my leads email account. So this is my leads email account, and here you can see the subscription confirmation mail that my lead has received, which says, "Dear Smart, thank you for subscribing. Click the button below to confirm your subscription." So I'm going to click it over here. And here you can see it says you are all set. Now that means we have successfully made a confirmation over here. So now let's go and check our Zoho Campaigns account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully added a new subscriber over here with the email as smartsubscriber@pabblytunes.com, first name as smart and last name as subscriber. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as contact form 7 and our action as Zoho Campaigns. So that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through our contact form 7, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be added as a new subscriber in my Zoho Campaigns account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add or update Zoho Campaigns subscriber on contact form 7 submission. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.